If you're new to the world of online business, then you may be surprised, and perhaps a little intimidated, by how many different ways there are to make money without owning a website. Don't let the seemingly endless options get in your way. You can start selling on sites like Etsy, eBay, and even social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. I reveal in this video the method I am most comfortable with as the last way to earn money online selling products without a website, so stick around for that. So let's get right into it. The first method on my recommendation list is selling on Amazon. Amazon has a larger share of the e-commerce market than any other online retailer in the US. Amazon's third-party sellers now account for more than half of all sales on Amazon.com. You can easily sign up with the Amazon Partner Program as a step towards your first earning as an Amazon associate. What I like about Amazon is that they are always trying to innovate and improve their service just in the same way as the e-commerce industry is growing. You can make some money selling on Amazon without a website, if you act on this advice from a standpoint of taking action on the steps which are. What I like about Amazon is that they are always trying to innovate and improve their service just in the same way as the e-commerce industry is growing. You can make some money selling on Amazon without a website, if you act on this advice from a standpoint of taking action on the steps which are. Step 1 is choosing a niche. Ask and answer for yourself this question: is there much competition in this market? Looking at the search results for long-tail keywords is an ideal way to determine the level of competition in a specific niche. It's a good sign if there is a high concentration of large brands specializing in your niche. You should also look to see that the products in that niche are products which have an all-year demand without suffering a dip in sales due to its seasonality. Furthermore, since the aim of signing up for business on Amazon is to make money, it's always best to think about the bottom line to be made from your sales first, because that's what's going to determine if you are profitable or not. This next step is one that should go without much saying. Make sure that you will receive regular orders for the products you will be promoting on Amazon, otherwise, it will be a waste of time. You want to ideally generate tens, if not hundreds of sales daily without a website. And finally, when looking out for a niche to start your Amazon business, do the research from within Amazon, on important metrics such as competitiveness, profitability, evergreen nature of the products within the niche, as well as the demand volume for products, just to mention a few of the key character traits that your ideal niche should possess. The next step to selling on Amazon is to carry out keyword research. Before you begin the keyword research process, you should already have a few Amazon products that you already want to promote as an Amazon associate. Next, make a short list of phrases related to the product you want to promote. The next step to selling on Amazon is to carry out keyword research. Now that you've compiled your list, find and save relevant keywords for your product in a list. Following that, sort, review, and choose the most popular keywords from your Amazon keyword list to use for your Amazon listing optimization, Amazon PPC campaign keywords, or your Amazon affiliate marketing. Step 3. Choose a free content publishing platform to use in promoting your written or video content, or whatever format your content takes. There are a ton of free platforms depending on the nature of your content format. You can look at Facebook, Medium.com, LinkedIn, eZine Articles, ISSUU.com, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, SlideShare, Quora, etc. and etc. to mention a few of them. Just pick one or a couple of them that suit your style and start publishing searchable and optimized tutorials or product reviews, which are geared towards your target audience to make that purchase on Amazon. Just pick one or a couple of them that suit your style and start publishing searchable and optimized tutorials or product reviews, which are geared towards your target audience to make that purchase on Amazon. In your headlines and throughout your content, use relevant keyword-rich phrases. Back-end organization is important for search engines. Social media is a powerful tool for expanding the reach of your content. Each new article should be shared on social media and also in forums, with engaging descriptions and a call to action. Take a look at your top pins by link links to find out which of your affiliate link containing pins is performing the best. Analyze results and take informed action. You only need an account with Pinterest, affiliate connections, and pins. You'll obtain a procedure that's easy to understand and can be reused. If you wonder how money is generated without a blog from Pinterest, that is how. You get payment from affiliate links on pins on Pinterest, as your affiliate commission. Find out which of your affiliate link containing pins is performing the best. You should create more versions of this pin and craft a similar blog post and spin off additional pins for that new concept. And the number 3 method I recommend is the one you're engaging me with as I speak. I am talking about starting your YouTube channel. You can start a YouTube channel for yourself with just a few clicks. Make sure your new channel is accompanied by a complete web presence on another platform. You should have more than enough source material to work on if you're creating a YouTube channel for your own business. Remember to design your business demographic target content. It will also be fantastic practice to create your channel trailer to lead to your introductory video. It's time to publish your first video when you've got a YouTube channel. For both YouTube and Google search engines, your videos should be highly optimized. Consistency is the main strategy to obtain more subscribers to your YouTube channel. Build your website and social networks into your channel. You can insert the videos in new blog posts right after publishing them on YouTube. Engage and create a community on your channel with your fans. For both YouTube and Google search engines, videos can be highly optimized. Build in your social networking channels. Engage and create a community on your channel with your fans. In conclusion, there are plenty of options available for you if you've been wondering how to sell products without a website. The good news is that you don't have to spend thousands of dollars or hours learning technical skills. And you can start for free. You can start making money right away with these 3 simple methods that don't require any coding or website building experience. Like, comment and share if you found any form of value and to encourage more of these sort of videos. So I'll see you on the next video.